corn. Corn tortillas, corn arepas, corn meal, corn everything, corn. Hi, I'm Nica Waters and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We're making arepas today. And yeah, that has something to do with corn. Go to the grocery store and you're looking for different kinds of corn products, you'll find all kinds of things. You'll find cornmeal. I don't have any to show you. You'll find something that you might make corn tortillas out of. You'll find something else that will maybe be in the same area of things that you might find corn tortillas out of. You might find grits. Today we're talking about this particular kind of corn flour-ish product, and this is called pan. The brand doesn't matter. What you have to look for when you're making an arepa is that it is pre-cooked. You do not want something that says instant. This is Masa Harina. This is the stuff that you make corn tortillas out of, and corn tortillas are different than arepas. Let's make arepas. What are arepas? They're kind of like thick cornmeal pancakes is the best way I can think of to describe it. You're going to start with even amounts of water. You do want actually a little more salt than you might. I'm looking to make a dough that sort of pulls away from the edges. What I'm doing is I'm trying to add enough of it so that it just starts pulling away. So when it starts to pull itself off of my fingers, I know that it's in pretty good shape. And now I'm just gonna let it rest for probably 2 or 3 minutes. Really, almost no time at all. I'm using a cast iron skillet. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you don't have to use one. If you wanna use butter, that's a little more traditional than using oil. If you wanted to use coconut oil, you totally could. I'm using olive oil, my favorite go-to. A little bit of it's a ball. Basically fits in my hand, making a ball, and I'm squishing it. I'm going to squish it sort of flat. The thing with arepas that is amazing is the filling, either the filling or the topping. Mild cheese inside. This is just mozzarella because I don't have any real fresh cheese or queso cojito, and I'm just going to squish the edges together so the cheese will melt in there. These are fantastic used in the morning with eggs on top. Melt some cheese on top of it and put a fried egg on top. Yum. Take them off of here, and then we are going to try one. So, this is the cheese one. You hear the crunch of the crispy outer. Ooh, and it's a little melty inside. So delicious, yum. Look at that ooziness. These are totally fantastic just eaten as is. You also could spread them with butter, add a little bit of extra cheese to them. You can also heat them up in the morning with eggs on top, and you have never tasted such an incredible amount of deliciousness so easily in your life. Oh, so incredibly delicious. The other thing that's totally cool is that we were introduced to these things when we were with Totem in Panama. They had found them in Colombia, and I found the flour that I need to make them just here in the grocery store in the States. I will definitely make sure that I have that kind of pre-cooked cornmeal on the boat to make arepas anytime I want to. Happy, happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like, Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves corn and cornmeal and making things out of all different kinds of corn things and who loves arepas. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most delicious week. It's all about corn. Yeah. You're still filming? Oh, spectacular. I'm in a corny mood today. Wow, having a little trouble with these. Might be better if I actually added a little bit more flour.